Ontario mayors are vowing to keep up pressure on Premier Doug Ford over the crisis of homelessness in Ontario. Municipalities including Hamilton, Burlington and St. Catharines are hoping for help to deal with tent encampments in their communities. But that's not what they got from the Premier today. Al Sweeney is covering the story and joins us live with the details. Al?
Adam, this is happening at this week's meeting of the Association of Municipalities of Ontario in Ottawa. Mayors are hoping for a new focus by the province on homelessness, including a dedicated cabinet minister and money to help municipalities. Instead, today what they got was an internet portal. The mayors have been calling on the province to take charge of homelessness, saying it's beyond the capacity of municipalities, and the province should appoint a cabinet minister to deal with the crisis. But speaking at the municipalities conference, Premier Doug Ford had other ideas.
So today I'm excited to announce a new online tool developed by Invest Ontario that will help local and international investors better connect with municipalities. And I was fiddling around with it on the weekend. It is, I'll tell you, this one's slick.
When the Premier was at his Ford Fest celebration on Friday, with mayors appealing for homelessness help, the government announced a new Minister of Auto Theft. And today, a slick new online tool.
Municipalities will be able to upload information.
No Minister of Homelessness.
I mean, underwhelming is a very polite way of saying Doug Ford really blew it today.
The opposition at Queen's Park says an internet portal doesn't cut it.
And this Premier walks in and promises a website? I mean, talk about not meeting the moment.
Mayors are calling for the Premier to declare a public health emergency around homelessness, and his response is an online portal for investors to be able to somehow access housing information. Like, it makes absolutely no sense.
But mayors who've been talking to Ford's ministers at the conference are more optimistic.
You know me better than that, Al. I never give up.
Hamilton's mayor is expecting a provincial announcement on housing soon.
We need them to solve the crisis, and so we've launched this campaign. I'm going to show you my shirt. It says solvethecrisis.ca, and because municipalities large and small, north and south, east and west, across the entire province, and in fact across the country, are really suffering in terms of our inability to deal with, at the local level, the housing crisis that we have.
This is a humanitarian crisis that is unfolding in our streets. It needs action urgently. And, there's still time for the government to make an announcement, and we're going to keep our, I'm an optimist, so I'm going to be optimistic, and we're going to keep asking.
And Hamilton Mayor Horvath says the big announcement from the province could come as early as tomorrow. The municipalities conference continues for another couple of days, so the government still has time.